Stay safe and secure when you're on the job in this professional shoe from Propet. This style's ready for action, showing off a waterproof mesh fabric and leather upper that's accented with some synthetic, acting as a cage to really hug your foot and keep it secure with a puncture-resistant design. It also has a composite safety toe in the front to protect from impact hazards, and it's ASTM certified to protect from electricity. The gusseted tongue is going to keep out any debris, and it's going to stay very secure with a traditional corded lace-up. Inside, there's lots of thick padding around the collar and the tongue to hug your foot very nicely, giving it some extra cushioning in the footbed for excellent support. The midsole is EVA, keeping it pretty lightweight and cushiony as well, adding shock absorption. And the outsole is made with oil and slip-resistant rubber, ready to keep you sure-footed and on the go.